Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into how to disable the new followers notifications on X, previously known as Twitter. If you've been feeling overwhelmed by notifications every time someone follows you, this quick guide will help you regain some peace. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the X app. Once you've logged in, look for your profile picture, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. Give it a tap to access your profile settings. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. This will open a drop-down menu where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now, let's head to Settings and Privacy. It's important to get this step right, as this is where all the notification options are located. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for Notifications. This is where you can customize how X interacts with you through notifications. After tapping on Notifications, select Preferences. This will give you a more detailed view of how you want to manage your notifications. Now tap on Push Notifications. This section allows you to tailor your push notification settings further. Finally, scroll down to under Followers and Contacts. Here, you'll see an option that says New Followers. Simply unmark this option, and there you have it. You've successfully disabled new followers notifications on X. Now you can enjoy your time on the platform without the constant ping of new follower alerts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might also need this tip.